Are you preparing for the construction of a gold beneficiation plant and facing challenges in the rational configuration of equipment, or planning to upgrade your existing beneficiation production line to achieve cost reduction and efficiency improvement through equipment optimization? A one-stop beneficiation equipment supplier with 40 years of experience, we provide customized turnkey solutions for CIL, or flotation gold processing, helping you improve recovery rates and reduce operational costs. We offer a complete range of crushing, grinding, leaching, and separation equipment, as well as integrated process design, on-site installation guidance, and long-term technical support. All equipment can be tailor-made according to your type and capacity requirements, 5 to 100 tons per hour. Visit our official website to get a free customized beneficiation solution. Our engineers have rich experience in overseas projects, with project footprints across Africa, Southeast Asia, and South America.